Pawpaw Sammy here. One of my subscribers fired off to me, Pawpaw, when I pull my beets, some are round, some are look like starved carrots. Okay, I made a statement in the video the other day. If you have a problem, contact me, I'll help you with it. So I'm going to help this lady. She's in zone 6A. That's not a bad zone. I mean, as far as growing stuff. Now, she said, quote, my beets are not round. They look like starved carrots. I don't know what to do. Well, let's go through some of the things it could be wrong. First, number one, it could be hard, compacted soil. It's hard for a root crop, carrots, beets, potatoes, anything to bust up the soil. It helps when it's loose. All right, rocks or debris around the roots bog it down also. Now, another thing I preach, inconsistent watering. That's a lot of the problem there sometimes. Now, or for some reason, an insect or something damaged the roots on a young plant. That'll cause misshape. Now, you have good and misshapings. So, number one, I suspect the soil around the plant had a whole lot to do with it. That's what I'm guessing. I would say your beets might have hit a hard clot in the dirt. The roots might have hit a rock or something. Hard spots in the soil. And the way to get around that, people, is when you get to it, you loosen the soil 8 to 10 inches deep. That gives you good loose soil for your plants to grow and shape. Try to make sure you got all the rocks and the hard clods out of it, if possible. And number three, correct your watering. Don't just go out there and water. I've had them say, well, I have a regular schedule. That don't tell me anything. Take your hands, stick it in the soil. If it's damp that far under the ground, you don't need water. Now, if it's dry down, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 inches, might put a little water in there, people. It's not rocket science. You just have to kind of pay attention. You can also buy a little gadget that tells you how much moisture in the soil. Whatever. But anyway, you do that. Then you don't overdo nitrogen fertilizer for whatever reason. Too much nitrogen will misshape those beets. Now, the good thing about the funny shape and the odd looking beets, they're still good to eat. If they're healthy and not rotten, they're good to eat. Now, in this series, as my people ask questions, I'm going to answer them. Now, in this particular case, forgive me, I forgot and lost the comment. I can't find the name of the person that sent it, or I send it straight back to them. So this is what it's going to be right here. How to make your beets grow normal and look normal. It's not hard. Hopefully, let me know how the outcome is.